Thanks for joining us for this guided meditation. Settle into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Take a deep breath in. Then relax the breath so it falls into a natural rhythm. Let your breathing become relaxed and easy. Relax your face. Relax your jaw. Relax your eyes and temples. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body, letting go of any tension or pressure. Now bringing your attention to where you notice the sensation of breath moving through your body most strongly. Noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. Taking a couple of deep, deliberate, slow breaths, just to break the cycle of thinking. Focusing again on the feeling of each breath as it flows in and out. Bringing the attention back to the physical contact with the floor, gently moving your hands and feet, and whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week. Before heading on to what you do next, just taking a moment to maintain that mindful awareness.